Okay, date, romantic outing, flirt, playful behaviour, and crush, like someone. These are romantic words to describe how we feel. Look at this couple, both on their first date. She is looking at him, he is looking back into her eyes. Their body language, their smiling, their touching shows that they are both flirting and they have a crush on each other. Now you may hold my hand for a while, but you hold my heart forever. This is a deep expression of emotion and feeling of love. You are my soulmate. You mean more to me than you will ever know. This is such a beautiful and a deep thing to say if you are deeply in love with someone. Now this man has just proposed to this lady. He is putting a ring on her finger and saying, "Will you marry me?" She says yes. Happy Valentine's Day, everybody. May you share love and joy with everybody that means something to you. And I'll see you back here soon for another wonderful little English lesson with Engli-teach. Goodbye.